Now, dear students, now your university exam is over. BSc honors examination is over. Even those students who are doing BTech, their exam is also over. And now you all are thinking about the new career. So, particularly BSc student or a science student, always worried about their new career. What to do after the BSc? But my suggestion is always after BSc, go for the administrative services, Indian Civil Services examination or Indian Forest Services examination. Now, you will do MSc for 2 years. After that, CSIR NET examination, all examination. 3 years, 2 year MSc, 1 year CSIR NET examination. Some students also prepare 1 year for the JAM for admission in MSc and CUET. So 4 years, and in 2 years, you can better prepare yourself for the civil services examination. After doing MSc and CSIR, there is no certainty. But CSE examination provide the government job with certainty. I will come again on this topic. But I remember my student Pooja Meena, BSc honors from Miranda House in 2021. And now in 2024, she qualified CSE examination. BSc honors student, Pooja Meena, chemistry honors from Miranda House in 2021 and 2024. She qualified civil services examination with chemistry as optional subject. Only in the 3 years, 1 year is wasted because she unable to qualify the prelims examination. So I can say she qualified the civil services examination in the single attempt. So dear BSc honors student, go for a stable career. That is civil services examination and Indian forest examination. Many people say that civil services examination is unpredictable. Unpredictable कैसे? I again say that civil services examination is most predictable examination. Most predictable examination. आपका होगा कि नहीं होगा ये आपको 6 महीने में ही पता चल जाएगा कि आप उसके लायक हैं कि नहीं है, और लायक उसके बनाना पड़ता है. Last year Pururaj Solanki not qualified in CSE 2022, unable to qualify, but he get 21th rank, and I predicted that in 2023 he will get good rank. Pooja Meena worried in the test series, but I predicted that she will qualify, and she qualified. There are many examples of my prediction. And remember, I am not a astrologer. हम कोई ज्योतिषी नहीं है जो कि बताते हैं कि इसका हो जाएगा, इसका नहीं होगा. I am academician, not magician. Academician है, मैथीशियन तो है नहीं. हमारे पास कोई दवा तो है नहीं कि वो दे दिए इसका हो गया. How prediction? how I predict? From the टेस्ट सीरीज. और टेस्ट सीरीज के लिए सबसे पहले आपको थॉरो स्टडी इसके प्रिपरेशन में आपको करना पड़ता है. Only 1 year preparation. Thoroughly go through the syllabus, not backward moving. Many people say that PYQ कर लो, PYQ कर लो, 10 साल का क्वेश्चन रिपीट होते हैं. 10 साल का PYQ कर लोगे तो हो जाएगा. वो तो लास्ट स्टेप है. पहले कंटेंट तो आपके पास हो. फर्स्ट स्टेप ही collection of content that will require 3 months. Thereafter, first reading. First reading is more important. It is thorough study of each and every topic, along with tutorial or assignment provided, or question collected by you or given by institute. Then second reading. In tutorial solving, if you face the difficulty in any section, that section must be further consulted in the notes, and that section is included in your short notes, because in that section you are facing regular difficulty. Therefore, that section is only included in the short notes. नोट्स आपका 2000 पेज का होता है, वो आप बार बार पढ़ेंगे नहीं. शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाना 1/3 पेज का, 600 पेज का, 500 पेज का, और उसमें वही सब टॉपिक इंक्लूड होंगे in which you are facing difficulty in solving the tutorial. That is the second rating, which is also called as revision. रिवीजन का कोई अलग से टाइम नहीं होता. अगर आप if you are thinking that first I will study whole syllabus, then I will do the revision, then you are going through the 5-year plan, and now 5-year plan is already discontinued by Government of India. Even Government of India ने 5-year plan को discontinue कर दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि उससे इल्ड नहीं था. So, रिवीजन का कोई अलग से टाइम नहीं होता. रिवीजन हर दिन होता है. एक टॉपिक खत्म हुआ, अब उसका रिवीजन स्टार्ट हो गया. सेकेंड टॉपिक खत्म हुआ, अब उसका रिवीजन स्टार्ट हो गया. रिवीजन मस्ट गो. यू हैव टू बर्न कैंडल फ्रॉम दी बोथ साइड. आपको कैंडल दोनों साइड से जलाना. तो हरी भी साथ साथ रिवीजन भी चलता है. Third step is test series. That is evaluation. Evaluation is most important part. Evaluation ही स्टेज है जहां की आपका प्रेडिक्शन हो जाता कि आप लायक हैं नहीं लायक. अगर कहां पे आपकी कमजोरी है. तो ये 3 स्टेज, these are the 3 stages, and any student, any average student can qualify this exam with a suitable planning, thorough study, and dedication. Dedication is important. What administration need? Administration need a dedication. Administration does not need extraordinary intelligence, extraordinary trick, but it need only dedication. So BSc student, make move for the preparation of civil services examination. सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन के लिए आप अपना मूड बनाइए आराम से, और उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं होना चाहिए, नो प्रॉब्लम। आप आराम से इस एग्जामिनेशन को क्वालिफाई कर सकते हो, आराम से। देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट केस। Our new batch is going to start from 10th of June. So you can join that batch and prepare for civil services examination with chemistry optional. With chemistry optional. Now,